Welcome to the sewing part of our safari shirt making tutorial, and in case you haven't seen the drafting part of this video, kindly check out for the link to the playlist in the description area below. Remember to like, share and comment on this video. Also do good by taking your time in watching ads on my videos. Please don't skip ads, because that's one of the ways you can encourage me in doing more. My name is Bolaji and this is Regi School of Fashion. So guys, the next step is to join the front and the back panels together. So in doing this, I will have my back panel like so. This is the right side facing up. Then I will position the right side of the front panel facing the back panel, armhole side to armhole side and the center to center, like so. Now that I have the front and the back panels placed on each other like so, the next step is to pick the shoulder line of the front panel and one of the back panel. Don't forget I have two shoulder lines here because of the yoke, one for the bodies and one for the yoke. So I will pick one, that is the one that is next to the front panel. Then I will align the two properly. Then pin together, and I will repeat the same process on the second side. So now I will be flipping the yoke I have on the back panel backward like so. Then I will apply a roll up process. I will roll up the front panels and I will roll up the back panel. So I will leave it on the shoulder line. Now I'm rolling up the back panel. So then I will hold the third shoulder line, which is the yoke, then align it with the former two. That is the one I pinned together. I will have it like so. Pinned the three shoulder lines together now. Then I will be stitching with 1/2 inch of seam allowance. Okay, so after pinning the three shoulder lines, I will have it like so. So the next step is to stitch this with 1/2 inch of seam allowance. You can also check out my video on how to make a vintage shirt, in which I demonstrated all this process as well. The video has been linked up in the description area under this video. So I will put this aside. So guys, now I will be moving to the construction of the shoulder belt. The shoulder belt is the belt we have on the shoulder line of our safari shirt. So I have 4 pieces cut out for the shoulder belt, 2 pieces for one shoulder and 2 pieces for the other shoulder. In cutting this out, the measurement I used was 6 inches for the length, and I used 3 inches for the width. So the measurement is together with the seam allowance I will be using in constructing the belt. So I will position this like so, right side facing the right side. Like this. Then I will stitch with 1/2 inch all around the piece apart from the upper part. I will start stitching from here downwards, following the shape I cut out here, like this and upward. Then I will stop here. But for the opening here, I will not close the opening, because this is the opening I will be using in turning this inside out. So I will construct this, I will turn it inside out and give it a very good press. So after which I will be back to show you the next step. So guys, now I have the shoulder lines joined together, as you can see. So the next step is to pull this out towards one side. So now that I've turned this inside out, then I will be giving this a very good press. I will take it to my ironing board. I will give it a press in order to iron out the center of the shoulder. Don't forget, the joining part is not going to be the center of the shoulder. So I will give it a press, iron out the center of the shoulder, and I will also top stitch on the shoulder line. So after that, then I have my shoulder belt constructed as I explained. I joined the two together, I turn it inside out, I gave it a press, and I top stitch all around. So after top stitching on the shoulder line and I've gotten the center, the belt is going to be at the center of the shoulder, and the open side is going to align with the armhole area. Then I will stitch the two together on the edges, that is the armhole area. This for this side, and this is going to be for the other side. So, and I'll have it like so. So after attaching the belt, the next step is to attach the sleeve. So here is the basic sleeve I cut out. If you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve pattern, kindly check the description area below for my video on how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So I will position this like so, then attach my sleeve all around. If your sleeve is longer than your armhole, all you need to do is to run a gather stitches on the edges of your sleeve, that is the sleeve edge all around. So with this, you will have your sleeve properly aligned together with the armhole, and make sure the front falls on the front armhole and the back falls on the back armhole. So I will take this to my sewing machine now. Firstly, I will be giving it a press, that is the part I joined together, the shoulder line. After giving it a press, I will top stitch on the shoulder line, then attach the shoulder belt. After attaching the shoulder belt, then I will attach my sleeve. So after which I will be back to show you the next step. Now guys, I'm back again. I have the center of my shoulder ironed out. I ironed the joining I have on the shoulder line as well. Then I apply the top stitch, after which I attach my shoulder belt on the armhole area. Then I attach my sleeves. So after doing this, the next step is to attach the collar. So the collar will be attached around the neckline, and here are the pieces I cut out for my collar. 2 pieces for the stand collar and 2 pieces for the other collar. So I will be taking this to my sewing machine. I will construct the collar properly, after which I will attach it around the neckline area. In attaching the collar, I have 4 pieces in total. I will align this right side facing each other, and I will stitch all around. After stitching, I will top stitch, then I will turn the inside out and I will give it a very good press. So after doing that, then I will attach this together with it. So one is going to be under and the other one is going to be at the top. Like this, then I'll have my collar constructed. So guys, if you will love me to make a well-detailed tutorial on how to construct a 2-piece collar, kindly go to the comment section and write 2-piece collar. So after constructing my collar, then I will be attaching it around the neckline, after which I will be back to show you the next step. So guys, now I have my collar attached to my safari shirt, as you can see. This is the wrong side of my shirt and this is the right side of my shirt, so the collar will overlap on the right side like so, and I will give it a good press later when I'm done. Okay, so all I have to do on this shirt is finishing by closing the side. You can see I still have the side opened, so I will join the front and the back sides together like so. So I will join the two sides together, and also I will hem the lower part. So I'm hemming the lower part with 1 inch of hem allowance I added on the hemline. So after hemming the lower part, then I will tack my buttons. The buttons will be on the smaller placket, while the button holes is going to be on the bigger placket. This is my bigger placket and this is the smaller placket. So the button holes is going to be on the bigger placket, while the buttons will be tacked on the smaller placket, after which I will take it to my ironing board and give it a very good press. Then I will put it on my mannequin for you guys to see the final look. So guys, here is the final look of a safari shirt with 2 utilitarian pockets, the shoulder belt and a front dart. You can see this is looking neat and beautiful with a short sleeve and a 2-piece collar. Kindly try yours and share your experience with me at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, always do remember, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs.